Look at my airplane. Wow, it's so colorful.
Mine goes even further.
Cool, try it. Today, something fun happened in Zayn's classroom. Let's see whose paper airplane flies the farthest.
Oh, that challenge is easy.
Zayn folded his airplane and launched it. It flew for a moment, then dropped quickly. Now it was Raffy's turn.
Watch this amazing flight.
Then Ayla carefully folded her airplane.
The wings need balance.
When Ayla launched her airplane, something amazing happened.
Wow, look at that! That one flew so far!
Ayla smiled and explained the secret.
The shape of the wings helps the air lift the airplane.
And he built a better plane.